welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you clicked on the link and you're here with me. If it's your first time seeing my face, hi there, my name is Paula. This is my channel. We do a lot of hair tutorials, styling, hair growth, and all that good stuff. So make sure you subscribe. Let's talk about the subscribe. Actually, let's talk about that. So there's this little button down there. All you have to do is click on it, that red button that says subscribe. It's for free. Imagine, free. And whilst you're at it, you might as well click on the bell that's alongside the subscribe button, okay, so that you get more of these kind of looks. I'm going for like a whole bridal theme right now, as you can tell, and I need to fill you in. Don't you want to be filled in? Because I want to fill you, not in a perverted way, no. But anyway, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, talk to me so I can engage with you guys. I love chatting with you guys. Let's get into the video. All right, so I'm starting on hair that's been like stretched by tying it up like this with a scrunchie. I just put in some water and then I just tied it up for a little bit because I had previously done like flexi rod set, you know, side swept kind of thing. I'm gonna put in an icon at the top so you can click to see what the look was like. So I just needed to comb out the curls. But I think what I will do is first start off with this Palmer's Zero Break Reconstructor. I haven't introduced this to my channel, although I have a video on it, but I haven't like featured it on my channel. As you can see, it's almost done. It's like up to here, so you have to first shake it. And when they say zero break, they mean zero break. Like, I just usually focus it on my ends only because it's infused with ceramides. So those work like as if like a cement for hair, just to keep hair from breaking. Like, it's amazing. It's amazing. Like, when I run out of this, I'm definitely gonna go back and purchase some more. Palmer's Refreshing Hair Milk. I'm like almost running out of this. I absolutely love this milk. Like, I love hair milks for my hair type. I have low porosity and it works just so amazing. I'm gonna put in too much product because I want to put gel, so I'm just gonna use this much to make it easier to manipulate and open lines. Y'all know how this 4C hair is just like its job, okay? It's a lot of work. So next up, I'm gonna use the olive oil conditioning spray from Palmer's as well. I didn't want to get the spray. I wanted the coconut oil one, because coconut oil, that whole range, I love that range. Like, it smells amazing. And then this one doesn't smell nice, and I'm a big fan of smell. Like, I need for my products to smell just as good, and this one definitely has an olive oily smell. Which, this is the gel I'm going to use from Revlon. You can get it Revlon. So I'm going to get my rat tail comb and open some zigzag parts like this round, just in the front here for the pompadour that we're going to do. And that's, so for me, I find it a lot easier to open like straight parts first. That way I know, I can see a lot better what I'm doing. So I'm gonna start off like this. Okay, so this is what the front part is looking like. I mean, it's not perfect. It will be a lot easier if you can get someone to help you out, but we're just gonna stretch this out simply by doing this. This is how I like to stretch my hair if I'm not doing like African threading. Easy. Okay, so for now we need to lay this hair down, and I learned the hard way that with natural hair you have to really take your time. So I'm gonna show you guys from the back how I do it. Just bit by bit, you take some hair, so notice what I'm doing. I'm not going all the way down to the ends with the gel. It's just on the length of the hair, not like the entire length. Leave your ends alone because gel will obviously dry your ends out, and then that's how you get like a lot of breakage. So the side that's gonna be open for me is gonna be this side, so I need to make sure that this side is sleek, honey, really sleeked down and stays into place. So this is what it's looking like for now. What I'm gonna do is get some more gel and place it around the edges here, just like that. And then get my old toothbrush, work the gel in. Now what I'm gonna do is get this, don't judge me guys, don't judge me. This is my old nightgown. I can't fit it anymore, so I was like, why throw it away when it can be used as a scarf to lay down my hair. So okay, so I will be back in about an hour's time. I'll probably get my bandana, I don't know where I put it, just to make it extra flat, and we will continue in a bit. Okay, and the production continues. Okay, so it's been raining, you guys. Yo, moment of truth. Ooh. First thing, you need some Afro kinky hair. I've used this hair in another bridal look. I'm going to use it again. So this is pretty much how much you need. You don't need a lot. And then you also need some more. These are like about 10 strips of them here for the front, because you don't want the front to look like too bulky. And then we're gonna get the donuts. So we're gonna put 2 donuts because my donuts are quite small. I'm gonna use these donuts to shape the back of it like last time. Yeah, but just in a different way. So let's get it started. Oh. So I just discovered something really interesting. You need to get a rubber band like this, and then use some bobby pins on each side, and I'm going to show you how you clip this on. So okay. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do now. I'm just gonna open some hair that I'm gonna use as like a leave out. Okay, so and then from this hair I'm gonna take a few at a time, maybe like this much. Okay, and then I need you to pay attention. This is very important. Okay, so let's put this part. All you have to do is open up like this, get your hair, put it in between like this, right? Get an elastic band just like this, and then slide it down. Okay, that makes it a lot easier to attached to the hair, as opposed to doing like a cornrow and then you have to crochet and all that stuff. That is so unnecessary. Slide it down. Okay, there you go. So I really didn't need to attach hair, but just in case your hair is a lot shorter, it makes it, you know, easier for you guys to learn how to do this. So now you just need to use your hands to try and blend into this hair. Okay, this is another very important part. Okay, listen to me, listen carefully. Okay, so we're gonna start off by going to the top like this, pushing the hair up, right? Not too much or else you pull your extensions out. So twisting the hair midway like this. Just make sure to look out for any like lumps or bumps. Don't twist too hard, just a little. Use this hand to support. Bring the hair down like this. Then you can move it up or down, whichever frames your face a lot better. So however you want to take it back, that's up to you totally. Pin the hair down. Alright aunties, so I'm done with this tutorial. I just added some jewelry to the back. Let me show you. You'll see that? And yeah, this is the final look. So I'm gonna give you guys a little. So yeah, that's it from me aunties. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will not lie, I was very nervous about trying this out. I was very nervous. I don't know why, but it came out. It came out well. So if I can do it, then you can do it too. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you subscribe if you're new to my channel, and give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you learned something new. And I'm just gonna sit back and let you click onto one of my other videos somewhere here. You don't need to go anywhere. Like, I've got time, you can make time. I hope to see you guys in my next one. So peace.